So when you walk into a UBA branch, you would expect to buy 3 products. We intend to increase the products range as we go along or as the partnership grows. But for now, we have 3 products. So you have your motor, you have your home, and then you have travel insurance. For your motor insurance, you would have 2 types, your comprehensive insurance and your third-party insurance. For your third-party insurance, that's the insurance you take to cover your basic requirements for insurance, for owning a vehicle. And so that covers damage to other people's property. It also covers injury and death to other people. Now, your comprehensive insurance is what you will call an upgrade on top of your third-party policy. So your comprehensive insurance, apart from satisfying your basic legal requirements for insurance and also protecting other people's property and then damage and death, it also protects you and your vehicle. So in third-party, your vehicle is not included in the coverage. On your comprehensive insurance, your vehicle is included in the coverage. So you can see comprehensive insurance has been designed with you in mind. So it will cover your accidents on the road. It will also cover theft and then also fire. Next, we'll talk about our home insurance. So now in this era of working from home, schooling from home, we've seen there's a lot of having computers and other things, and these are investments, because at one point in time all those things were in the office, but now you have them at home, your kids, yours, and so all these investments need to be covered. And so your home insurance policy will cover your building, and then it will also cover the contents of your building. So it will cover your building against fire, also cover your contents against fire, and it will also cover your contents against burglary if you want. You can also extend it to cover personal accidents for people who live in your house. So if somebody in your home has an accident, you can extend your policy to cover that. You can also cover it for public liability. So if you have a visitor who comes to your premises or your home, and then something happens to them, they have an accident, they fall, you can extend your policy to cover that. We can also give you alternative accommodation. So when your home is burnt and it becomes uninhabitable, so we'll give you we pay out for you to be able to look for alternative accommodation until your residence is ready to be covered. Then our last policy, we'll talk about travel insurance. So when you travel abroad and you get sick, it can be extremely frustrating. And this is true for 3 reasons. So 1, you don't know how the healthcare system in the country where you're visiting works. 2, it's expensive. And 3, you're just not ready for that kind of expenditure. And so for Allianz, we've provided a travel insurance policy that has worldwide coverage. And so in fact, all your holiday destinations are covered. And under this policy, we're covering you for accidental injury or death when you travel. So your medical expenses will be covered. We're also covering you for repatriation of dead remains. So if unfortunately the policyholder dies, we'll pay for the repatriation of the body back to the home country. We provide hospitalization. So we provide personal accidents, we provide personal liability as well. We also cover things like missed flights, cancelled flights, lost luggage, lost travel documents. And then we provide assistance services. So if you travel with a minor and unfortunately you pass away, we help the minor to get in touch with their family back at home and things like that. And so these are the products that we are covering under the UBA partnership. We're saying walk into the bank, do your banking, and then buy some insurance as well. Because trust me, that's convenience. Thank you.